Hello, we're gonna do a test run with the DVD boxes for our Speedstar series. In this case, actually, we have also the tear tape option in place. Tear tape option makes it more comfortable to reopen the box, especially when you want to sell it in retail. So the box is gonna go on the shelves. Here, this is how you close the top, and then here the one. Just make sure your fingers do not come between the product and the box, alright? Then here, as you can see, we have this so-called tear tape. With the tear tape, you can just easily reopen the box, alright? Just easily open it. The result is the same like with the large industrial machines. You see there's no extensive glue, there's no plastic on the box. Make sure you do not overheat it. If it's too hot, actually here you have you see the exact temperature, it's 150 degrees. This is quite perfect. But also make sure the first seal, alright, is here, right on that edge where you open the box, alright? This is where you want the first seal. And then one movement, go quickly down, and then, suck, seal the sides. You can easily achieve a throughput of about 200 pieces per hour, which is realistic. You can change with the knife, you can just easily change from Blu-ray to DVD and the other way around. I'm just going to reopen that one, so we can do another demo. Make sure when you do the first seal, you hold the box on the sides, alright? You don't want the fingers between the box and the heating bar. It's going to be hot, alright? It's going to be hot. First seal is the most important. The advantage of the Speedstar series is that compared to a shrink tunnel, you get a much cleaner result, alright? You get a much cleaner result. You get the real industrial result that you get from the large industrial machines. And of course, you can add a tear tape, which is not an option with the shrink tunnels. Realistic is a throughput of around 200 pieces per hour, which is a realistic throughput, alright? You need a little bit of skill to work with the machine. So give yourself some time. If the first result is not 100% perfect, you do not have to use the tear tape option. As you can see now, we have the tear tape here quite in the middle, so we're going to move it a little bit to the side. We want that in the open, in the upper part. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pull it out. You see it automatically glues the tear tape onto the cello. You rip off a piece here, and then you're good to go with the new setting. Very clean finishing, as you can see. Both sides are folded correctly. Here you have the opening mechanism. You can just pull it open. Now what I'm going to show you is actually to switch over to Blu-ray boxes, alright? The Blu-ray boxes are a little bit smaller. They have different width. So what we're going to do is now we have to cut off part of the cellophane here. So just easily, tuck, get the knife out, put it at the other position, push it back in, pull some cellophane out, and then see whether actually it works. Cut it off. Here, bend this overwrapping part, which is no longer needed, to the side. Then it will be continuously falling down there. It's still a little bit too big. Just get a little bit more. Make sure this is falling down. Don't need that extensive part, right? So now we switched it from one format to another. Now we're doing the 40mm Blu-ray boxes. Principle here is of course exactly the same. You take here your fingers, you bend this part down, make sure your fingers are not between the heating bar and the product. You go from the bottom up, then from the top down, alright? As you can see here, you have the perfect seal. Perfect seal. Here you have the opening mechanism. You can just pull it open. Another one, just to show you how easy it is. Alright? First seal, right here. One quick move, alright? One swift move down. Then here, you fold it in, hold it down, bottom up, up, down. And not the other way around. Make sure you hold it like this, alright? Because if you hold it like this part will remain open, you get not a proper finishing. So make sure actually that you take it from the side where the outer cello will block the inner cello to pop out, alright? This is how you get the best result. So now that one's ready to ship for retail.